It's been raining in ligaw kaning oras malambublay. Kung pretty wala kusido nga ni gulay. Di pungal kakapay. Okay, enough singing. No pork butakal for today's video, okay? I want to likay from high blood. Dipisil na. As you can see, we are now free to sing again. Talapyang walang kamatayan mga idol by Romeo Katakutan. We don't have gunting, that's why the parik-pik is still there. Can you hear the kirikiti? That's the sound of the kirikiti, but be careful because the mantika is nangasta again. Of course, we also have our very expensive rice. That is bagong muli, but many batteries into pase. And for our Ricardo, we have ladang demonyo, sarsaya oyster sauce, bawang sibuyas, luya, carrots, and also Del Monte tomato sauce and UFC banana ketchup. Baka naman. And since we are very advanced mag-isip, we also bought pancit and all the Ricardo from the mercado for our merindalan later. As you can see, our rice now is already nagbuburok-budok. Very good cooking. Our rice is not malagtok. We are now going to start to gisa our Ricardos. I forgot to tell you that we are going to cook sweet and sour tilapyang walang kamatayan mga idol. I don't want pork butakal today. I want tilapia. Very malasa. Mekus mo na yan, insan. Sarap na yan, insan. Tulagin mo para bilog-bilog ganit, Brad. Pabilog-bilog. Tornado! We're going now to buntog our carrots. And mekus na naman mga idol. Megus mo na yan. Palibot, Brad. Tornado! Tornadong kulag! And now we're going to put Del Monte quality Filipino style tomato sauce. Baka naman buntogan na kang Also, we're going to put UFC tamis anghang banana katsup. Katsup ba yan? Kitsap pa lang, kitsap. Megus again mga idol. Masarap na yan mga insan. Tornado! We also have here pamintang that can make you watching. And syempre, magic sarap. All in one. Buntog na ka. Of course, we're going to buntog many chili to make it maanghang. And of course, we're going to megus all of the ingredients. Megus muna yan mga idol. Tornadong kulag. Oh, see? Wow! Singkong lutaw. Very beautiful. Very malasa. We are now going to mock our sweet and sour talapyang walang kamatayan mga idol. Of course, it's very malasa. Look at how UTV muak na tilapia. Jesus Mario Joseph. Very dusta. Again, if you still watching this video until now, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and follow UTV. I also have YouTube channel and TikTok. Please subscribe and follow. Baka naman, muray nga po niya. See you again next video. This is your one and only Yoy. Goodbye!
What's up mga yoy? Ipinakikilala ko sa inyo ang larong Una Game. Ang Una Game is isang play-to-earn mobile game na pwede kang kumita habang naglalaro lang. Mag-register lang, kumpletuhin lang lahat ng details na nakikita sa screen at i-confirm. After mo ma-confirm mga yoy, rekta ka na sa game. Marami kang pwedeng pagpiliin na laro dito mga yoy sa Una Game. Isa na nga dyan mga yoy ang larong Dragon Tiger. Ang larong Dragon Tiger mga yoy ay isang laro na kung saan tataya ka lang kung sa Dragon ba o sa Tiger. Magpapataasan lang kayo ng baraha mga yoy at kung sino yung mas mataas na baraha, syempre siya yung panalo. Diba? Ganun lang siya kadali mga yoy. Naglalaro ka lang pero kumikita ka pa. Sa Una Game lang yan mga yoy. At kung gusto nyo na mag-withdraw, i-click nyo lang mga yoy yung withdraw dyan sa baba. I-bind nyo mga yoy yung Gcash details nyo at ilagay nyo yung withdraw amount. Rekta Gcash nyo na yan mga yoy. Ganun lang siya kadali. Ano pa hinihintay nyo mga yoy? I-download nyo na ang Una Game. Nasa comment section ng video na to yung link kung saan pwede mo siyang i-download. Matik na yan. Una ka sa Una Game.